I flew to Pakistan to eat Chinese food.
So I'm in Musicality, Pakistan, just below the border of China. We also had some wicked mantu dumplings before, so we're getting a bit of a taste of that Chinese influence.
And that's my new buddy Azam. He was also my driver for my time in Musicality, Pakistan. I didn't even know he was a cook. He just mentioned this while he was showing us around Musicality, and he said, you know what, since this was going to be one of our last days in northern Pakistan, he wanted to cook for us. I couldn't say no, so I asked him what's his favorite thing to cook, and he said Chinese food. So he went to the grocery store and took us to his friend's restaurant. The first dish he made was called chili dry. And for the fried rice, I was expecting him to bring out some short grain rice, but this dude brought up basmati rice, and I don't think you can take away basmati rice from Pakistanis. This is our go-to, and it's like the only rice we ever eat. You won't catch Pakistanis eating any sticky or short grain rice. Lastly, he wanted to make us chicken chow mein.
This guy got some wok skills.
I'm also digging the floor seats at this restaurant. It just feels comfier.
Chili dry with the fried rice. That's solid.
I don't usually like Chinese food, but this is amazing. Oh my god.
Yeah.
I'm not a big fan of Chinese food, but Azam made it with a lot of love, so it's a 10 out of 10.